Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Drawings. All right, so the way to find Google Drawings, if you go to your Drive, click New, and click More, Google Drawings will be down here. Okay, so you click and open up Google Drawings. I've already started opening it up, and I've renamed my file Picture Frame Photo. So we, our color printer will print on either 8.5 by 11 sheets or 11 by 17 sheets. So first thing we want to do is figure out what size image we want to print and find the appropriate sheet. So in my case, I'm going to use the 11 by 17 size because the actual paper I'm going to put in there is 8.25 by 14, and that I measured off of my picture frame. So again, I need to use the 11 by 17 size. But if you have a smaller picture frame, you can use the 8.5 by 11. So set up um, your workspace by clicking on File, Page Setup, and we want to change it to Custom. And I'm going to again use the 11 by 17-inch size. Click Apply. Now I have a workspace that measures 11 by 17. So now I can go ahead and put my images in. Now before I do that, you can use guidelines if you want. So click on View, Guides, click on Show Guides, and it creates these guidelines. So if you wanted to move these around or get some measurements off of something, you can click on the line and move it to wherever you want it. Okay, so here I've created a corner. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my image. I click on Image. Okay, I'm going to search the web for an image. Doctor Strange is what I'm after. Okay, so I'm looking for an image of Doctor Strange I want to use, and I found one. This is the one I want. I'm going to insert it. Okay, and it's going to pull it in. Now, um, I can go ahead and set up my guidelines so that my image fits to my guides, or I can right click on the image, click on Format Options, and it will tell me what the size is. So the size I'm trying to print is 8.25 by 14. So let's go ahead and change one of these first to the maximum size. So we want to do um, 8.25, 0.25. Okay. Press enter and it resized it, but kept the format. Okay. Now I can just grab that and move it to wherever I want to move it. So it's now 8.25, but it's not tall enough. So in my case, I want it to print in the vertical position, so I need to crop this. So I'm going to double click on here and it'll show these black brackets. When I have these black brackets, I can grab the black brackets and resize and recrop the image. Okay, so it's actually recropping it to a different orientation. Okay, press enter. Now I'm going to go ahead and change my size to 14 on the height. Okay, and change my scale here to match that 272. Okay, so now my image, okay, is just about there. It's there with the height, but not there with the width. So I just need to crop that to the size. So I can add another ruler or guide. So I'm going to add a vertical guide. Okay, and I'm going to move this over to, so if I'm starting here at 0.5 and I want to go to 9, okay, and I'm going to move this over at 0.75. So then I know that this dimension is 8.25 from corner to corner, which is what I want. Okay, I can now grab my image and move it be equal with the guide. Okay, but I don't like that. It crops out too much, as you can see. So I'm gonna remove this, grab this crop mark, move it over a little bit, recrop that, move it over. So that's this crop size I want. Okay, now I'm just going to move the image to where I think it looks the best. Okay, that's good. So now, if you look at it, my width here is 8.25 by 4, and my height is 14. That's my image size. Okay, now it will print in exactly that size. So I want to go to File, and you want to download as PDF document. Okay, and that's how you want to send it to me. All right, that's it.